how's it going? So, I am just going to be filming a really quick Get Ready With Me. I'm going to be dancing at Rose Carnival today with ND Dance, so you know. But I've realised, well, I've decided it's so freaking hot that I'm not going to put, I can't put loads of makeup on. What is the point? It's literally just going to melt off my face. So I'm going to try and keep it as like bare as we can. I'm going to use a Bare Minerals. This has also got an SPF 20, which I didn't realise, so that's cool. Although this is really old, so the SPF probably doesn't work in it anymore. I don't know how that works. Maybe it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. Mine is in the shade R210, but I do think that when I got tested, not tested, but when I like got thingied like about a year ago, this is really old. I'm sure she came up with a different shade for me, but this one works fine, so it's all good. So let's just go in. It's not heavy, but it does cover. But my face is sweating now, guys. My face is already all sweating. So, you know, it's going to be a disaster if I put loads of makeup on. So let's go for the natural look today. Feel like I should probably use Wonder Brow on my eyebrows, but then I'm thinking, I don't know, can I maybe get away with it? I used Wonder Brow on my eyebrows for the strawberries, but my eyebrows did end up looking very like too done for the rest of my face, if that makes sense, because it's quite dark. So I think dark brows do look good when you've got like all the makeup on, but everything else came off my face apart from the brows, so I looked a bit stupid. So please give this video a thumbs up if you are here. That would really help me out. If you are here, please do say hello. So if you can see, like, it's just really natural. I do love this foundation. I need to do a video on this foundation, to be honest, because I haven't, and it's something that I've had for years and years. So that is the Bare Minerals right there, and it's so natural. Do you see what I mean? But yeah, it does help to cover up so you don't look as red and blotchy and all that jazz. So I'm going to use the ML Safari bronzer. I love this bronzer so much, and hopefully it can just give me a little bit something. Oh, yeah. So I look a little bit, you know, bronzed, as we like to do. I'm going to have my fringe down, which is probably a bad idea on account of all the sweating that's going to be going on. But I'm going to like hairspray the crap out of it. So I'm basically just bronzing my skin up a little bit here. I'm gonna just use my Avon brow thingamabob because I'm not gonna bother with a Wonder Brow. Hopefully it won't melt down my face. Maybe I'll just do it lightly. Sorry if I'm like not in shot. The Makeup Revolution. This like really pretty classy one. Everybody please like the video because I want to see how many likes we can get. Ooh. This is what the shades look like inside. They're actually not that natural, are they? Now I come to think of it. Damn it. I do not know how to do natural eye makeup, guys. It's impossible for me to do it. I'm gonna take the dark brown. Maybe it won't be that dark. Probably will. I am gonna like blush and highlight as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this first. Not the darkest brown, like the middle brown. Yeah, that'll be right, won't it? Wow, this is blending so nicely. Wow, these are really easy to work with. But yeah, I'm not going to go like too heavy. That's not too light. That's quite natural, isn't it? It's not too bad, right? It's fine. She's just going to bark for like the next half an hour. Nothing. She's a very good guard dog though, so we can't complain. Okay, so that's that. Then I'm gonna go in with, so that's the brown I've just used. I'm now gonna use this goldeny bronzy brown like on the lid, and then I'll use the shimmery pink towards the corner of the eye, if that makes sense. We'll just see what that looks like. I'm not gonna use the dark brown because there's just no need. So this is where it's gonna make it less natural. Like way less natural, but never mind. So I'm now just using, might be helpful if I showed y'all what I'm using. This is well pretty colour. This is so freaking pretty, so freaking pretty. Ooh, yeah. So that's that, guys. It's a bit of a rainbow. Bit of a rainbow going on, isn't there? Mine just put a little bit more of the bronze on. Blend it a little bit in more. I like it. So good. This is, I don't think they'd make this anymore. This is the collection Pump Up the Volume mascara, and it's in waterproof, and it is so good. Oh, maybe I need to do a video on this. Oh, but this is so old and it's probably not going to work. It's probably not going to work, you guys, because it's probably dried out. I've had it like 5 years or something. Oh. But I just remember it was a really, really good mascara, so it might not be discontinued actually, I'm not sure. Oh, not gonna work. But look at the brush, look at that bad boy. Mind you, I don't want to go crazy, so I might just keep it. Just because because it's a dry, it's making them just nice and fluffy. Isn't there something you can put in? Eye drops. I've got some eye drops. So I'm going to just put these eye drops in the mascara and see if it helps. I swear I've heard this done before, guys. I'm not being completely insane. If anybody else has heard of this before, please let me know that I'm not being crazy. Am I being crazy? It's just made them quite, like, fluffy. So, Right, I don't think I'm going to bother with blush. I think I'm just going to put a bit more of this bronzer on my cheeks because I really like the look of it. Like, I really like it. So I'm going to like take the bronzer onto my cheeks instead of using actual blush. Because look, I just think it's so cute. So that's that, and then I'm going to use, I've got this Revolution Mono eyeshadow in Paper Luxe, but I'm going to use it for highlight because I think it's quite like shimmery. Yeah, and it's like, it like goes with the natural vibe, but it's not white and it's got like a bit of golden to it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, yes. This is where I go over the top and it's not natural at all. Yes, Revolution. I think this should actually be a highlight, like it's supposed to be an eyeshadow, but it should definitely be a freaking highlight. Look at that, guys. Glowy. Do you know what? It's a really, really good colour. I'm quite pale, but that's a really nice golden, like a light golden highlight. The brush that I'm using here is a Spectrum one. I don't know what it's called, like it's just this Spectrum brush. But this is like my favourite brush ever. Oh guys, what is this highlight? Oh my god! Yes! Yes, I'm well happy. Right, I think that's it, you guys. Obviously, obviously I need to my lips. Please let my fringe go okay. Oh, it's like not right now. Just straightened it and everything, and then I was like, probably shouldn't have done that before I've got to do my makeup. But never mind, I'll redo it. But yeah, so lips. What we're gonna do for the lips? Should I use one of the other ones? Like maybe this one or even that one? I always use the red or the pink. That might look really nice. That might like totally go with the eyes. I'm gonna use Nathan. Because I'm thinking it's kind of like I feel like it's quite pastel-y. And like it might just look really cool in the sun. Or should I use red? Oh my god, I'm so bad. Yeah, let's do this one. So this one is Nathan by Jeffree Star. Because it does stand out, like it doesn't blend in with the skin, if that makes sense. Oh, love this colour. What do we think? Oh, yes, I love it. And it's not like too in your face. I still look quite nude and natural, but yeah, it's like there's still a lip going on. You know what I'm saying. Could even put a little bit of that highlight on the lip. But that's it for this video, guys. Wow, we did this in half an hour. Check me out. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That's just what the eyes look like. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!